in today's video, I'll show you how you can create a Snapchat account or sign up for Snapchat. So first of all, open your Snapchat app. Then on the bottom side of the screen, you can see two options, login and sign up. Tap the second one, which is sign up. And now enter your first name and last name. Then tap sign up and accept. And now choose your birthday. Now once you've entered your birthday, tap continue. And now it will provide you a username suggestion. If you like that suggestion, you can tap continue, but if you don't, tap on change my username. And now you can select your own username. And now once you've selected your username, tap continue. And then you'll have to set a password for your Snapchat account. And once you've created a password, tap continue. Now you'll get two options. You can either enter your email address or you could instead use your phone. You can choose whichever you like, but for now we'll simply go with email. Tap continue. Now it will ask you for a number. If you want, you can enter your mobile number, but if you don't want, you can simply tap the skip on the top right corner of the screen and then it will skip the process. And the same for finding your friends. If you want to find friends, tap continue, but for now we'll simply skip this process. And now the same for Bitmoji. You can create a Bitmoji by clicking the option create with camera, but for now we'll simply skip this process. And there you have it. You have successfully created a Snapchat account. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informational and helpful videos like these.